How does presidential assent approve a bill? Imagine a process where a proposed law, after passing through numerous stages of review and debate, finally reaches a stage where it becomes an official law. This critical step is known as presidential assent. But how exactly does this process work? What are the steps involved, and what significance does it hold in the legislative journey? Once a bill has been approved by both houses of the legislature, it is sent to the president for approval. This stage is essential because it signifies the final endorsement needed for the bill to become law. The president's role is not to alter or amend the bill but to give or withhold approval based on constitutional and legal considerations. The bill is presented to the president in a formal manner, often accompanied by a report or recommendation from the legislative body. The president has two options upon receiving the bill. The first is to give assent, which means officially approving the bill. When the president grants assent, the bill is transformed into an act of law and becomes enforceable throughout the country. This process is often accompanied by a formal signing or a written declaration of assent. The act of granting assent is a ceremonial yet vital step, symbolizing the final approval from the executive branch of government. The second option is to withhold assent, which is known as a veto. If the president chooses to veto the bill, it is returned to the legislative body with reasons for rejection. The legislature can then reconsider the bill, amend it, or attempt to override the veto through a special majority vote. In some countries, if the president does not take any action within a specified period, the bill may automatically become law, a process known as automatic assent. In many parliamentary systems, the president's assent is considered a formality, as they are expected to approve bills passed by the legislature. However, in some cases, the president may exercise discretion based on constitutional grounds or policy considerations. Overall, presidential assent acts as a crucial checkpoint, ensuring that the proposed legislation aligns with constitutional principles and national interests before it becomes law.